Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna have to get used to not looking at myself talk anyway. So as promised, I am going to be showing you guys how I give myself at-home facials. And did I forget to mention anything? I'm gonna tag everything below, and I'm gonna try to remember to show you guys everything. So let's hop right on into it. So I use a regular hot rag to open my pores, and I do this for about 3 minutes just to make sure my pores are really open. So for beginners, you're gonna wanna use the lowest setting, which is 1. There are also 4 different attachments that come with the vacuum. So when you're getting ready to use your vacuum, you want to hold your skin as tight as possible, and then you want to just take that vacuum and glide it over your skin. You do not, I repeat, you do not want to leave this in one spot. You will have bruises everywhere, and redness is expected. It goes away about 20 to 30 minutes after you use it, if not immediately. So after you are done with this beautiful little machine, your face might be red in some areas, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and continue our regular facial routines. And so what I'm going to be starting off with is the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, like so. And you don't necessarily need one of these. You can use your hands, just make sure they're clean. But I got this one from Vanity Planet, and as you can see, it is kind of old, but it still works. It still does what it needs to do. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. So after we clean that CeraVe off of our face, this is some apple cider vinegar and water, so half and half, and I'm gonna use this to tone my face. Excuse me guys, I'm sick, so sorry if I'm gross. So I don't use this every night, but when I do my facials, I do use this Estee Lauder Advanced Nighttime Repair Serum. I love this stuff. It is totally worth the money. Now you want this serum to be completely dry before you add your eye cream, and so that's just what I'm doing. I'm tapping that into my face, and this is the eye cream that I'm going to be using. I will tag it down below for you guys. So we see the light at the end of the tunnel. This is the CeraVe that I'm going to use to moisturize with. And as you guys can tell, I'm a big fan of their products.